Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've spent any time building with wood, you know that strong, clean joints are everything. And for a lot of us, pocket holes are a go-to, fast, reliable, and perfect for everything from shop projects to full-scale builds. But let's be honest, most pocket hole jigs are a hassle. They're finicky, slow to adjust, and demand way more attention than they should. That's why I've been keeping a close eye on the BORA automatic pocket hole jig. It's one of the most talked about tools in the workshop space lately, not just for what it does, but for how differently it does it. No gears, no dials, no guesswork. At least that's the promise. Today, I'm digging into whether this tool lives up to the hype. Is it truly the next evolution in joinery, or just a glossy upgrade that doesn't deliver where it counts? Let's find out. Let me tell you, after years in the shop using various jigs and clamps and setups that promised efficiency but delivered frustration, the BORA automatic pocket hole jig is a legit game changer. I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. $155 isn't pocket change, and there are plenty of cheaper options on the market. But the moment I got it set up and used that push-pull knob to auto-adjust both the drill guide and collar depth, I realized I was holding something different. Everything from material thickness adjustment to screw selection happens through one intuitive motion. No fiddling with rulers, no second-guessing depths, it just sets itself. And the color-coded guide on the side that tells you exactly which screw length to use? Brilliant. Pair that with the included color-coded screws, and you've got a system that practically runs itself. For someone like me who values efficiency and precision, this thing feels less like a tool and more like a woodworking copilot. I've used this jig on everything from building a kid's playhouse to assembling drawer frames in a custom cabinet build, and each time, the setup time was cut in half compared to my old method. You clamp the material, adjust the knob, pick the matching colored screw, and go. The reversible drill block is another subtle but smart feature, no drilling random extra holes just to realign. Whether I'm working with 1/2 inch plywood or beefy 1.5 inch stock, the jig adapts cleanly. And because it offers multiple clamping or mounting options, either bolting it down or using front clamping points, I can keep it fixed on my bench for shop work or take it on site with me. That kind of versatility means it's not just a one-trick gadget sitting on the shelf. It earns its space every time I reach for it. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't a flawless machine. While most of the internals are metal and feel solid, there are moments where the movement feels just a hair sticky, especially when you're adjusting thickness quickly. And like I noticed when standing up a 2x4 to drill 3 pocket holes, they didn't always line up perfectly in height. You've got to pay close attention to vertical alignment. It doesn't auto-register perfectly every time. So if absolute uniformity is crucial, you'll need to double-check your positioning. The 90-degree alignment also takes a bit of finesse. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something you've got to stay on top of. I've found that taking a second to square it up with a quick glance saves me from having to fix misaligned joints later, always worth that extra moment of care. One of the smartest design touches, in my opinion, is the dust collection port. I've got it hooked up to my shop vac, and honestly, the chip extraction is impressive most of the time. But after about 20 holes, I did notice a little dust still hanging around, especially fine sawdust that doesn't quite get sucked away. It's not a showstopper, but it's something to keep in mind if you're aiming for a spotless workspace. On the flip side, the build quality? Mostly top-notch. The frame is made from thick reinforced polymer, and the moving gears are all metal. No cheap plastic bits here. It feels rugged, like a tool that'll last decades. I half joke with my buddies that I might actually pass this thing down, and I'm only half joking. That kind of durability is rare, especially at this price point. There are a couple of quirks, though, that are worth mentioning. The built-in driver bit storage is on the bottom of the unit, which is kind of absurd once you've clamped it down. More than once, I've had to unclamp the whole thing just to grab the bit. It's a head slapper moment. Why put something vital where you can't reach it? Also, the included Allen wrench for adjusting the drill collar didn't fit at all. I ended up using one for my own set, but that's not the kind of thing you want to deal with out of the gate. I had to lightly grind down the original wrench just to make it work. It's a small thing, sure, but when you're investing this much in a precision tool, details like that matter. They could have easily fixed it with a better designed tool slot or just sourced a proper sized wrench. Still, despite those niggles, I'd buy this jig again in a heartbeat. The time it saves, the consistency it delivers, and the overall smart engineering make it stand out in a crowded field. I used to dread pocket hole setups. It was always a puzzle of angles, depths, and hardware. Now it's just part of my flow. The auto adjust system, the material thickness gauge, the visual screw guide, it all adds up to less thinking and more doing. And in woodworking, that's golden. Yeah, it's got a few design hiccups, but the pros absolutely outweigh the cons. If you're serious about your builds and want a tool that elevates your joinery game while standing the test of time, the BORA automatic pocket hole jig isn't just worth considering, it's worth making space for in your shop. If you're ready to stop wrestling with pocket holes and start building with confidence, the BORA jig is your new shop essential. Don't let another project slow you down. Drill into efficiency. Like this review? Tap like and subscribe for more no-nonsense tool breakdowns that help you build smarter, faster, and stronger every single time.